And races on successor Ravishing Rafi Gondor on the federal side, and running alongside Sunday Street Terryton Mega Drive, Cool Turner, while Red Bells is the early trailer. Gondor by 3 lengths, followed by Successor. Ravishing Rafi is racing third by a length and a half. Terryton Danori inside, and on the outside Sunday Street Mega Drive, Cool Turner as the round the 3/4 mile distance. Gondor by some 5 lengths, followed by Successor. Cool Turner down on the inside. Terryton running in fifth. Ravishing Rafi. Mega Drive is racing 6 by a length and a half. Sunday Street and Red Bells passing the last 900. Gondor, Terryton, Ravishing Rafi, Mega Drive on the federal side. Successor done in fifth by the Cool Turner running in 6. Last 600, Terryton Mega Drive is rushing up from the outside. Gondor, Ravishing Rafi, and Successor by Drell. Last 450, Terryton Mega Drive fighting it out for the lead. Gondor, Successor, Ravishing Rafi, Red Bell, Cool Turn, Sunday Street. Last 400, Mega Drive, Terryton is still matching the strides together as they race the final corner. Mega Drive this time by some 3 lengths now. Terryton, Gondor, Successor, Red Bells, Ravishing Rafi, Cool Turner, and Sunday Street. And nearing the finish line, Michael De Jesus on Mega Drive, this time by some 5 lengths. And finally, Mega Drive. Terryton second, third Gondor, fourth Red Bells, and for your Pentafecta, number 2 Successor, Ravishing Rafi, Cool Turner, and Sunday Street.